Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the fast-paced world of short-term crypto trading. While many people see crypto as a long-term hold, there are massive opportunities for those who know how to play the short game. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 cryptocurrencies that are perfect for short-term trading right now. And stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing some essential tips to help you maximize your strategy. Let's get straight into it, starting with the king itself, Bitcoin. Now, you might think of Bitcoin as a long-term store of value, and you're not wrong. But its incredible price movement makes it a powerhouse for short-term trading. BTC is super sensitive to market sentiment, whether it's macroeconomic news, a new ETF approval, or a big institution making a move. Bitcoin reacts, and it reacts fast. What makes it so great for traders is its massive liquidity. This means you can jump in and out of your positions quickly without worrying about slippage, which is a huge deal. Short-term investors are constantly looking at those key support and resistance levels, buying the dips and selling the rips. If you're trading Bitcoin over days or even weeks, your best friends are going to be technical analysis tools, momentum indicators, and, of course, keeping a close eye on the news. Next up, we have the undisputed queen of smart contracts, Ethereum. ETH is one of the most actively traded cryptos, and for good reason. Its price is heavily influenced by what's happening within its own ecosystem. Think about major network upgrades, news about regulations, and the constant buzz in the DeFi and NFT spaces. Ethereum often follows Bitcoin's lead, but here's the exciting part for traders. It usually has bigger percentage swings. This creates some really profitable windows if you time it right. Things like scaling improvements or changes to staking can create a ton of volatility. So, if you're someone who loves to track on-chain data and follow developer updates, trading ETH could be a goldmine for short-term momentum plays. Now, let's talk about a fan favorite for momentum chasers. Solana. SOL has absolutely exploded as a top choice for short-term traders. Why? Because of its sudden explosive growth spurts. These can be triggered by anything from a new meme coin going viral on its network to a surge in demand for its DeFi applications. We've seen Solana make some incredibly sharp rebounds after market-wide dips, and it often goes on these rapid upward runs fueled by hype. If you're on crypto Twitter, TradingView, or CoinGecko, you know that Solana is always a hot topic, with its lightning-fast transaction speeds and booming NFT marketplaces. SOL presents those high-risk, high-reward opportunities that short-term traders are always looking for. It moves fast, so you have to be ready to act just as quickly. Moving on to our fourth pick, Avalanche, or AVAT. Avalanche has carved out a name for itself with its impressive scalability and major partnerships, especially in high-growth sectors like gaming, asset tokenization, and institutional adoption. When it comes to short-term trading, AVAX is known for making some seriously outsized moves in response to big news. A new collaboration announcement, a network incentive program, or a popular airdrop can send its price soaring. The ecosystem around Avalanche is growing at a crazy pace, and savvy traders use these catalysts to time their entries and exits perfectly. The liquidity for AVAX is solid, and its natural volatility creates a ton of opportunities, whether you're trading breakouts or buying pullbacks. The key strategy here is to stay ahead of the curve by watching for upcoming announcements and developments within the AVAX ecosystem. And rounding out our top 5 is Polygon with its native token, MATIC. As a leading Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, Polygon has become a hotbed for short-term trading activity. Traders are constantly capitalizing on new project launches, exciting brand partnerships, and updates to the token's utility. MATIC is incredibly responsive to hype, especially in the gaming and NFT scenes, and whenever a big enterprise announces they're using Polygon, you can expect a reaction. A huge advantage is its low transaction costs, which encourages high trading volumes and strong community engagement. To trade MATIC effectively in the short term, you'll want to watch for spikes in trading volume and shifts in funding rates, as these can be early signals of a potential price move. Even during market corrections, the sharp bounces MATIC often experiences can create brief but very tradable opportunities. So you've got the coins, but how do you actually trade them effectively in the short term? It's all about strategy. First, you must set clear goals. Before you even think about clicking that buy button, define your entry price, your target for taking profits, and, most importantly, your stop-loss level to protect your capital. Second, get comfortable with technical indicators. Tools like the RSI or Relative Strength Index help you see if an asset is overbought or oversold. The MACD can help you spot changes in momentum, and Bollinger Bands are great for understanding volatility. Learning to read trend lines on a chart is also fundamental. These aren't magic crystal balls, but they give you a significant edge. Third, always monitor liquidity and volume. High liquidity means you can get in and out of a trade easily. Low liquidity can leave you stuck in a position you don't want. High volume confirms that a price move has strength behind it. Fourth, you have to be a news junkie. Track those catalysts we talked about: network upgrades, partnerships, regulatory news. In the short-term game, news and sentiment often matter more than long-term fundamentals. And finally, risk management is everything. Use a stop loss on every single trade to limit your potential losses. And use proper position sizing. Don't go all-in on one trade. Your goal is to stay in the game long enough to be profitable. Remember, short-term crypto trading is a completely different beast than long-term investing. It's about timing, market sentiment, and riding the momentum. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, and Polygon are fantastic options because they offer the volatility, liquidity, and active community participation you need to succeed. With a disciplined strategy and a commitment to research, these assets can provide some really attractive opportunities for short-term gains. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope this breakdown helps you navigate the exciting world of short-term crypto trading. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.